Hi, what's up with Bitcoin? We just witnessed end of July scratching on all-time highs 70,000 and now within a couple of weeks down to 52,000. What is going on? My name is Dr. DanielBorer and I want to shed some light on the recent developments of cryptocurrency space as well as share some investment strategies that hopefully can be useful for you. So as we said here, we are witnessing here now a large dump in Bitcoin. Not the first time it happens, but it sparks some questions. Why is it happening now? And possibly you also lost some of your wealth now, which always is a very challenging position. Some experts actually claim that this dump in price was attributed to the bad economic data of the United States, unemployment data being worse than expected. Of course, these developments always affect the US stock market heavily, but it not necessarily directly affects the cryptocurrency space because the cryptocurrency space just has different dynamics. So that explanation is not so convincing for me. Another explanation that I came across was that some larger investors in Bitcoin had sold part of their portfolio. That also is a bit of a questionable explanation because we know that if somebody sells Bitcoin, somebody else is buying Bitcoin. So it doesn't really explain the full picture. One thing that I believe is driving all this volatility in the crypto market space and also will be continuing creating a lot of volatility is the presidential race, because it happens to be whether you love Trump or you hate Trump, it's a fact that Trump is a very strong advocate for cryptocurrencies. So if he gets re-elected in November, then that would possibly boost a new bull run within the crypto space. So there was a lot of expectation towards a positive valuation of the cryptocurrencies that now was a bit frustrated through the better election options of Kamala Harris coming in and replacing Biden. So I think that stirred up a lot in the cryptocurrency space, and it will continuously also within the next months or so create a lot of volatility and fluctuation. So the question is, where should I put myself? What smart investment options do I have? We can see, by the way, that in all the cryptocurrencies, the main cryptocurrencies, we have this downward spiral, Bitcoin losing, Ethereum losing a lot as well, BNB, the exchange token of Binance also losing, Solana also losing. So the top cryptocurrencies losing. You can see two exceptions, Tether and USDC. Why are they not losing? Well, those are stable coins. They actually try to replicate the US dollar. So basically when you invest there, you're actually pegging your investment to the US dollar. But that, by the way, I think is not a very smart investment strategy, because that's what you are trying to avoid. You want to actually invest outside the US dollar or euro space, because the traditional currencies always are affected by inflation. So when we look historically, actually those currencies have lost almost all their value within time due to inflation, and one smart alternative is cryptocurrency to actually avoid your wealth of being eaten up by inflation. So I think that's not really the smartest of alternatives. I think that in this challenging time we need to find a more nuanced investment strategy, looking for more niche products, and especially cryptocurrencies that are still cryptocurrencies, not stable coins, but actually try to offer more value beyond just the trading to their users. And one of those coins is PayNet cryptocurrency, PayNet Coin. If you had held some of your wealth in PayNet, you would not suffer so much at the moment. So here we have a comparison of Bitcoin with PayNet Coin. You can see that PayNet Coin also lost some of their value, around 3 to 4%, but definitely not as dramatic as Bitcoin. Let's look at the top two. Ethereum, how does that compare with PayNet Coin? PayNet Coin also here, similar picture, losing relatively little compared to Ethereum, so holding the ground despite of these fluctuations. And then let's look at the top three, BNB compared to PayNet Coin. We can see again a similar picture here. PayNet Coin actually standing there its ground, and BNB on a free fall a bit here, losing over 25%. So if you had invested in the traditional cryptocurrencies, you are probably not in a good place at the moment, and it's time to rethink your strategy. PayNet Coin, as you will see in other videos, actually offers a comprehensive ecosystem to their users, so it's not about just trading, but it's actually other values that it offers, and hence it actually has more stability because it has more value and it's not so susceptible to downturns. On the other hand, if a bull run occurs in the crypto space, my forecast is that PayNet will also double its value or even triple its value. So it's a very interesting alternative to traditional coins that is worth looking into. So I wish you all the best, and I hope that this video helped.